Ahoy there, my little YouTubers. How you all doing there? Okay, another new one for you. This is 1936. One Krona. This is Swedish. And this is 80% silver. So, there you go. Right, let's punch a hole in it. It's quite a small coin, so I'm going to use a smaller punch. How's everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Thanks for my latest subscribers, and thanks for the people that are liking the videos. If you're new to the channel, oh, she's leaking. Big Bertha's dripping again. You can't take her anywhere. Hey. Right. This is my 20-ton hydraulic press. So we'll keep that bit of that slug because that's silver. I'm going to keep all my bits of silver. There it is at the top. Top one. And then maybe one day I'll melt them down, try and make something. God knows what. It'll probably be a complete disaster, but bloody hell, I didn't have to slap it on the bottom. This would be a bit more expensive than 28 euros because it's silver and it's old. Like me, I'm old. Okay. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, there's a little button there. Hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Let's break out Christy Burr. If you're looking for a custom ring, I'm your man. Hopefully. I've got loads of different coins. You can contact me what I've got. You can also send me your own coins. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. I can adjust all the rings in there slightly up or down for you. If there's one there you particularly want. This will probably be about, I don't know, 70 euros maybe. I did check the value of this coin. It's not worth a fortune, you know. Right, that's pretty good. So now I want to give it a bit of warmth, not too much warmth because this is silver. And silver has a low melting point, so it shouldn't need much anyway because silver's quite a soft metal. Hey, Northern Lights, look at that. I'm quite lucky with the Northern Lights here in Helsinki this year. When you go to Lapland, you can see, you know, we're not guaranteed to seeing it then, really. But right, this is a 17-degree folding die, and I think we're going to go for, yeah, we'll go for this side, sunny side up on the ring, so this goes face down in the die. I have to use two dies on this one because it's a bit, it won't fit in that one quite yet. Well, let's go over to big red. This is a 1-ton arbor press. Change that for that. Give it a bit more. 1, 2. Let's break out Sandy. You just want to clean up that edge. Make sure there's no cracks or splits for me. Yeah, thanks for my likes I've been getting recently and the comments. Appreciate it. How's that looking? Maybe a touch more around there. Yeah, these make great gifts. Christmas is coming up. So, what you've got to get is their ring size. Oh dear. Stop it. Right. Let's go over to Spike, my little friend. I just put the kitchen roll on there to stop me losing detail from the inside. Let's check it again. I don't want any splits for me. I don't want to lose this ring. Well, I don't want to lose any ring, but this a bit more expensive. Silver. Price of silver's going crazy at the moment. Any of you boys out there collect silver, bullion? Or do you trust the banks with your money? I most certainly don't. Right. Let's, what are we doing? Let's go down to the bottom end of the spike. These are reduction dies. Use these to straighten the walls up and also make the ring smaller. That's pretty good. Why does this camera make it look like this wobbles all the time? Maybe it's where I hold it. Let's check with my eye instead of the camera. No, that's okay. Right. Let's cut that inner lip out. That lip there. I'm going to cut that out, otherwise it's a bit uncomfortable to wear. A bit more. That's better. Okay, let's get out Kate Bush. I thought I told you to go. Look at you. This is just like very fine steel wool, quad zero steel wool. Doesn't scratch it. Okay. That's why you use the kitchen roll. Stops you losing detail on the inside. And that lip is gone. So let's break out some polish. Well, let's take out Kate Bush. and putting Felton's on. Otherwise I get bloody polish all over Dave, the Dremel. Okay. Yeah, if you've got any ideas or suggestions or things you'd like me to do, drop them under the video in the comments. You can email me at yourfingermyring at proton.me. Right, let's clean the old mandy pannies a bit and get out Felton. So if you're from Sweden and you're looking for a nice silver ring, there's one here. Right. Like I say, at the end of the video, my girlfriend cleans this up because mine are still covered in rubbish and oil and polish. And I do coat these with a clear coat. Right, what we got? That's pretty sexy. And that's what I use, 19, right there, 1936. So this is 80% silver. What size we got? We've got a size 61, dead on. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Have a great evening. Have a safe day. Press the like button and press the subscribe button. And yeah, that sounds about good. And I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.